Support, guidance, value for money, being able to achieve a lot more than what you have originally been told that you can achieve.
We just felt we were in between the top builders and the Webb and Brown Neeses, in between the two sort of builders. We just really wanted to own this and do something different.
It seemed like a process that made perfect sense to me. Someone that was an advocate for our side of the build and someone that could give us extreme experience where we had very little.
Well, it was vastly cheaper for starters, and the great thing with new home building brokers is they analysed the plans that we had, and they made recommendations to change the plans to save us money on the design itself.
I think we saved a minimum of $50,000 on the build.
Look, in terms of percentage, it'd be at least probably 10 to 15%, I would imagine.
I'd say minimum 20%, more realistically maybe 30%. It was really that much.
I think it was around about $50,000 off the base price. Yeah.